In this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPUSD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now, by the end of this week's market close on Friday, we can see that GBPUSD closed this week with this bearish engulfing candle looking like this. Now, GBPUSD for quite some times tried to make a breakout of this long-lasting downtrend line that it has been respecting for a really long time. So it tried to make a breakout of that downtrend line, but found strong resistance over here at this key zone and started facing price ejection from this resistance zone. And this week, it made a breakout of this previous support level that it formed right around here with this bearish move and came down all the way to retest this very previous low right around here. Now GBPUSD on the upcoming week could continue pushing down with further bearish momentum in respect to this downtrend line to all the way reaches this key level which we marked on the basis of its previous retest points. And also GBPUSD could also face a strong support right around here and continue to push up with further bullish momentum to retest this key level over here. Now if we go to this daily time frame, then you can see some of these key zones and also these key levels as well. Now you can see how GBPUSD before pushing down with further bearish momentum formed this double tops pattern here as well. And also this is the support level that it made a breakout of that led GBPUSD to continue coming down all the way. It is this key level over here. Now we also marked this as a key zone with these retest points where GBPUSD might also come up to as part of a retest or as part of a pullback if it does find some support over here and goes for a pullback. But it needs to at least respect this key level or like this high for GBPUSD to continue pushing down. A breakout of this previous high or like this key level with further bullish momentum from GBPUSD would lead GBPUSD to find strong support over here and continue to push up all the way to retest this key zone over here. And a break and close above this key zone would lead GBPUSD to completely shift towards the newly forming uptrend line from the higher time frame downtrend line on a higher time frame. Now this would not be happening on the upcoming week, but a week from that or a month it might be happening. Now if you go to this 4-hour time frame, then we can see pretty much the same key zones and key levels that you saw on the daily time frame to weekly time frame. And also we can see the very recent key level where GBPUSD is currently facing support, and also we can see this key zone where GBPUSD might come up to as part of a retest if it does find strong support around here. Now if GBPUSD on the upcoming week makes a break and close below this recent support level with further bearish momentum, at least on this 4-hour time frame or on a daily time frame like this previous low, if it makes a break and close out of, then we can go to shorter time frames like 30 minutes time frame and then look for certain structure to be formed over there and then look for trace on the breakout of that structure that it might be forming after it makes a break and close below this previous low with further bearish momentum to come all the way retest this key level over here, which you saw on the daily to weekly time frame as well right around here. We marked this key level on the basis of its previous retest points way back. Now however, if GBPUSD instead of making a break and close below this previous low, which starts to form higher lows over here creating a new uptrend line, then we can expect GBPUSD to go for some pullback to probably retest this key level right around here that it has right around here, or an obvious key level all the way to retest this key zone over here. Now the way we're going to confirm if GBPUSD is going for some pullback is by going to even shorter time frame. Since there is too much momentum here on this 4-hour time frame, it's really hard for us to locate some sort of a proper resistance zone over here, so we gotta go to shorter time frame like 30 minutes time frame like that, and then give it some time to GBPUSD to form some sort of a proper resistance zone over here, make some range over here and create proper resistance zone, support zone. And then if GBPUSD makes a break and close above that resistance zone with further bullish momentum, then we can start to look for trace on the long side in hopes of GBPUSD continuing with further bullish momentum to all the way make a retest on this key zone which is on the 4-hour time frame right around here. Now if GBPUSD after making a retest to this key zone faces a strong price ejection, then GBPUSD might be still respecting this bearish move, and GBPUSD might continue to move down by breaking below its previous low with further bearish momentum. Or if GBPUSD makes a break and close above this key zone with further bullish momentum, then GBPUSD might have found strong support around here and might continue to push up. And in that case, if it makes a break and close above this key zone, then we can also look for further trace on the long side as well. However, by the look of how GBPUSD closed the week with this bearish engulfing candle like this, it does look like GBPUSD looks really bearish, and it might continue going down with further bearish momentum to probably retest this key level over here. But we have to see what GBPUSD does around here at this low or a resistance zone that it might be forming over here on the upcoming week, and then look for trades whether on the long side or on the short side. So that's my analysis on GBPUSD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'm looking to offer new mentorship courses to the new students for this month. So if you are interested in those mentorship courses, make sure to knock me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the video description.